Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching the right prompt for your task. This determines permissions and file context. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and hit Enter for a normal session, or use Windows plus X then to open an elevated prompt when you need admin rights. Once done, navigate to the working folder with CD and tab completion to save typing. This makes sure you run commands in the correct directory. Make sure to confirm admin UAC prompts when required. Now you execute commands that reveal and change state. Think of the prompt as a fast, scriptable control panel. Use CD to change directories, dir or tree to list files, and tab to autocomplete names. This speeds work and reduces errors. For diagnostics, run ipconfig or ping to check connectivity, and task list to inspect running processes. If you need to install software or edit protected files, make sure you're in administrator mode. Otherwise, finish by automating and validating your work. Save sequences as bat files to rerun steps and use task scheduler for recurring tasks. This saves time and enforces consistency. When a command needs higher rights, runnas or an elevated prompt ensures success, so don't force admin actions in a standard window. If something breaks, check the path variable, run echo %error level % to get exit codes, and verify spelling. That quick troubleshooting step reveals the root cause in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.